Only got a minute in here because the sprinkler system is going off, so I thought I wanted to show you guys how this all works. This is all on my outside timer. It's just battery operated, but this was just an easy setup. You can see the water's coming from inside, coming down this double pathway or double lines that are on little sprinkler heads. Oh, and they just turned off. This way, with things like my summer lettuce, which are started inside, and then as soon as they pop up, come outside, I'm able to just kind of give them a good watering. The downside is this right here, as the lines drain, you can see there's some pooling that happens. But if you keep them in the exact same spot, it's really not that bad. Maybe one or two, really two cells in a flat that get hit. But even the ones that get hit, the plants are still okay. So I just wanted to show you that. I've also got some beets in here, a couple different types. This is all summer lettuce and then some red Russian kale. But that is my indoor sprinkler system. Doing really well. Thought I'd give you guys a sneak preview or view of it. But it's kind of what's going on here. It's a warm day. Yesterday we had the rain, so it's muggy out, really high in humidity. But it's nice to have the greenhouse, which I can, well, just shut. Have the fan going behind me there. I have an inlet that is netted or screened off so no bugs can really come in here, and keep a nice environment for all my starts. So these two flats will be the next lettuce that go out. So they're probably, I could probably put them out next week, but they'll probably be, I'll probably put them out next week. Yeah, this is salvias. This is a type of romaine that's heat tolerant. This is Muir, or no, sorry, this is a summer Batavian lettuce. And then we've got a bunch of different types of lettuce. I'm actually trying out, I think, 15 different varieties of summer lettuce. And we've got more here because I want to be able to have the best varieties to grow here in our hot, semi-southern climate. So that's all that's going on here on the farm today. Plant-Based Gabriel. If you haven't heard it already, I love you, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day.